Hi everyone, it's Asuka here. In this video, I will show you how to draw French nails as practiced by professional manicurists. French nails look simple and easy at first glance, but in fact, they are very difficult to create. It is extremely difficult even for professionals to draw symmetrical and even curves. In this video, I will explain how professionals beautifully draw this difficult French nail design. The order of drawing and tips are explained in an easy-to-understand manner, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. French nails are a nail design in which white color is applied only to the tip of the nail. Basically, white gel is applied only to the tip of the nail after clear gel is applied, but there are various ways to arrange it, such as using color gel as the base, or using a color other than white for the tip of the nail. The French nail is a simple design that looks very easy at first glance, but it is actually very difficult to draw this curved line called the smile line. So this time, I would like to show you how to draw this French nail beautifully. First, apply 2 coats of the base color. This time, I will apply a pinkish color to make it easier to see. If you do not want to apply color, skip this step and proceed to the next step. After painting over the entire surface, cure. After applying 2 coats of the base color, prepare the white gel. The gel used here should not be one that will show through your own nails, but one with a lot of pigment. For a more professional look, I recommend using a special gel for French nails. First, take a long thin line brush and blend the gel on a palette or aluminum foil. A long brush is recommended rather than a short one. Do not use a large amount of gel, but rather a small amount like this. If you start drawing smile lines at this point, you will end up with distorted lines or asymmetrical lines instead of beautiful curves. Therefore, let's first mark where we should go. First, make a small mark on the tip of the nail at the center of the nail width. Let this point be number 1. Next, mark the shallowest part of the smile line. I recommend a depth of about 1/4 to 1/5 of the nail length. Let this point be number 2. Next, connect the markers number 1 and number 2 with the line. Next, place a marker in the middle of the first and second point. Let this point be number 3. Next, draw a marker on both sides of the nail at the point where the smile line begins. If the starting point of the smile line is shallow, it will give a natural impression, and if it is deep, it will give a sharp and cool impression. So adjust it to your preference. Let this point be number 4. Next, draw a straight line from point 4 to point 3. Looking at the nail from above, draw a straight line with the tip of the brush at point 4 and the root of the brush pointing toward point 3. Draw the other side in the same way. Next, connect the middle of the straight line you just drew to the number 2 with a curved line. This is the only curved line, but since the distance is short, it is relatively easy to draw. Draw the other side in the same way. When you have finished drawing this far, fill in the nail tip side from this smile line. Be careful not to overflow the beautiful curves you have drawn. If the gel protrudes beyond the smile line, this time use a technique called the back wipe. Using a brush without gel, wipe off any gel that protrudes from the inside of the smile line. This way you can correct smile lines. After the fringe area is painted, cure. After that, apply top coat and cure. How did you find the professional French nail method? This is the basic way to draw with a brush. But there are also other ways such as using French tape or using a stamper. So please experiment with different ways and find the one that suits you best. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.